Most men don't actually fear being alone. They fear becoming irrelevant. There's a difference. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. This isn't about loneliness. It's about something deeper. Why some men can handle silence, but can't handle feeling replaceable. If you've ever felt pressure even when nothing was technically wrong, this is probably why. From early on, men are wired around usefulness. You're valued when you produce, when you solve, when you provide. At work, results matter. In relationships, stability matters. In friendships, reliability matters. Over time, your brain connects worth to being needed, not being loved, not being understood. Needed. And here's the quiet part. If you're needed, you're safe. If you're replaceable, you're not. That's why failure hurts. But irrelevance, that feels existential. This is why some men overwork, why slowing down feels uncomfortable, why seeing someone younger, faster, better creates pressure you don't even talk about. It's not ego. It's identity. If your value lives in what you do, then rest feels risky. And if you stop producing, who are you? That question sits quietly in the background. Most men never say it out loud, but they feel it. Here's the truth. You don't fear being alone. You fear not mattering. And once you recognize that, you stop confusing pressure with weakness. If this felt personal, it probably is. Subscribe if you want to understand how male psychology actually works. Because most men feel this, but almost no one explains it.